Hey, thanks for watching my videos, and let's just talk about Save Club. What's going on with it? Right now, we're on day number 4. It's June 4th as I produce this video, and yeah, we got about 4 days in our cap. All right, we pre-launched about a month ago, and over that month, I've been able to sign up almost 100 people already. And I've saved about 900 and some change. I've actually averaged about $1,000 a week income. And with the new funnel system, it's put in well over $900 as well. Separate income, but it benefits Save Club. Okay, how do I do this? How do I get in? All I can tell you is if you're watching my video and you're not in Save Club yet, you better hurry because we're only 4 days in. Well, let me add a finger. Boom, we're 4 days in. And if you're going to wait another month or another month or another month, I don't know, thousands of people are going to just pass you right by and start building massive teams. Okay, this is all I do. If you join, do you have 80 bucks? It's $79.97. Affordable. Get out the 80 bucks. Get out those 420s or 810s, whatever, but just join. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. You can go there anytime. Just click. Okay, you want to see what it looks like? All right, well, gosh darn it, let's just do it. I love Save Club. Now, this page you're going to have too, because when you join as an affiliate, we all have this same page. You just switch your name, where mine says Cory Draper here. You put whatever you want, your name or your business. It's up to you. Please watch this YouTube video. It's 6 minutes of our founder, Michael. Fill out this information and click that orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club. Just hurry and join. If you're not ready yet, I understand. Take your time. No pressure, but I'm just telling you straight up. 4 days in, we're going to sign up 1 million people. We only got 1,000 or so affiliates right now. Very exciting. Okay, we have free training for you. I have free pictures. I can get you free video already made that you can use. Just upload it to TikTok. Go ahead and upload it to Instagram, Facebook, however you want. Or if you want to make your own video like I'm doing now, great. But if you think you're going to get stuck and you're by yourself in this, that's not true. Not if you join my team. It ain't going to happen. So go to ilovesaveclub.com. Watch this video. I want you to get to know our founder. I think it's important. And then this information here, 30 seconds? Hit that orange button. Rock and roll. Now, let's just go back to Save Club. This is the home page. Go ahead and fill out just your information. Get your username. Get your password. You can pay with cryptocurrency. You can pay with Visa. You work it out. Okay? Just go to right here. Go to My Earnings and then click the button that says Configure Payment. That's all you got to do. That's the first thing you should do. Okay? Because you get paid every Friday. Now, see the training here? I want you to click that. Watch this little video. It's like 1 minute. And right here, marketing materials. This is important. This is where you're going to get a lot of access, and I mean a lot of access to pictures, banners, and video. Short little videos or long video. It's totally up to you. Use every single one of them. They're free. Once you pay the 60 bucks, I guess, yeah, you're paying 60, but all this material, look at how much. Tons. Each one isn't like 3 or 4. Let's just hit click number 517. That means May 17th. Do you see where it says branded and unbranded? What that means is the branded video and content, it is totally Save Club, Save Club, Save Club throughout the whole video with pictures. Now, unbranded might just show a service. Okay, like someone changing tires. Well, we have Discount Tire in Save Club. So if we have a video about needing tires, then what you could do is underneath it, hey, do you need tires? Go to Discount Tire with Save Club. Save, save, save. And then have your link. So use the branded and use the unbranded. Mix it up a little bit. What I do every time we get a piece of content, and the latest one I think is 6/1. See right there? June 1st, a couple days ago. What I do, I click it. And now non-branded, let's just go into there. See those 3 buttons? Click it and see where it says download? Just download every single one of these real quick. Beach. Fashion, lifestyle, vacation, sushi, okay? See the little buttons, download, and then go to your download folder. Go into your file manager, just open up your computer, go to the download folder, and what I do is I create a folder on my home computer that will say like Save Club videos and pictures. And then I'll make a folder inside of that that says like 6/1/25. Then I put all the content branded and unbranded in that folder. Then I'll go back to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and just upload. If I have an hour or two, I upload all of it. And I just make sure that I Love Save Club is part of the equation because I want people to come and join and have a good experience. That's it. I go to Vistaprint, buy these business cards for $22. I go to GoDaddy, I get my own domain name. They're $12.17. Cheap. Can you say cheap? So for $100, I don't know, invest $200. Get yourself a webcam, maybe a little light to light your face up. Get some business cards. Hand them out on a street level. Don't ever talk about Save Club as much as I'm talking now. Just let everyone figure it out by going to their own page. Okay, so I'm going to show you again. I Love Save Club. People will decide by watching this video, in, out, or not at all. Okay, now if you're stuck and you feel like, crap, man, I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should have joined more of a team than a person. That's okay. If you've already joined, go to saveclubfunnels.com. If you haven't joined yet, go to saveclubfunnels.com because you can join Save Club, then you can get the funnel system. It's $25. You do not have to do it. But if you do, I think you're going to really dig it. Do you want to see what it looks like? Okay, Save Club Funnels. Let me make sure I typed it okay. Go ahead and put in an email address right here. So let's all rock at gmail.com. All right, kids, hit that yellow button. Watch this 20-minute video. It's not the 6-minute video. It's a 20-minute video. It does a better job of just explaining Save Club. It shows examples. How to use your cell phone when you go to a restaurant. Type it in on your browser on your phone, saveclub.com, go into My Deals, find the deal. Like if you want to go to Wendy's, you want to go to, let's say, Burger King, even Subway sandwiches in there. But there's high-end restaurants, there's hotels, flights, there's SiriusXM, Discount Tire, saved me a ton of money. Purple Mattress saved me a lot of money. That Purple Mattress, that's a tongue twister. But it's up to you. Do you want to join as a member? $19.97, that's it. But I want you to join as an affiliate. You got the $60, but you got to hurry. All right, don't wait another week. Don't wait another month because thousands of people are going to join and be higher up in the matrix. It's just the way it is. We're on day number 4, and that is it. Day number 4, we've got thousands and thousands of people joining daily worldwide. And if you're watching my video now, I sure hope you do so. All right, let me just leave you with this. ilovesaveclub.com. Check it out. That's what you get if you join for the $60. It's pretty cool. And if you want the additional $25 funnel, which you don't have to get, but if you get stuck, check it out. saveclubfunnels.com. Probably contact me at Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's always good. And then also, I'm on Facebook. You can inbox me there as well. And I'll help you. You don't have to be in my group or join my team, but I sure hope you get the funnel system. All right, like I said, I've had tons and tons of people just get the funnel. All right, and that's put about another $900 into my pocket. And that's going to go every single month because that money is recurring. All right, isn't that awesome? That means that if you like the funnel and you get it, if you just want to promote it like I do, the company will pay you $20 for each person that gets the funnel. And the funnel's only $25. So, boy, the $100 bills, I think they can really be a part of your life, but you have to join. Okay, so just sit back, relax, decide, do I have the time? I know you probably got the money. You probably have $80, right? If you do all the research you can. If you join my team, I'm going to send you a nice email, and let's get you going, okay? Guys, thanks for your time. I'm out of here. All right, we'll talk to you next video. You guys have a good day.